It is going to be a very long weekend. No weekend, a very long week. So far as Kwame Bafa Abronye, any Kevin Ekobadi Taylor, I concern. Says I'm going to say, Abronye Akoto the Cane. I might well bet to Kevin Taylor Dini. Abema Kevin Taylor, a deal for Nedia. Abronye Dema Kevin Taylor there. The Kevin Taylor Tia, any day. And seven also, I Penyah Media. That's what I need. Well, I give video, not that one, subscribe button, never can keep out the face and confidence habits. Now, bachelor wife in their mamma, or comments, especially about one. Not sure of any be ashes. It will come before brother, you know, only Kevin Taylor, it will be cracker. Emma, no, you'll be at a can be telling your uncle come for control swap. You are can be what to be the money Kevin Taylor.
Kevin Taylor, girlfriend, near Oko, a medical doctor. Recognized American trained medical doctor, or they say, and suddenly. Said ni kunu so ye train American doctor nti agitum sa wiase ade nipa wo bia records e wo wiase nyina ye Kevin Taylor nti Kevin Taylor kasa ye fan because kasa president kra no agitum o kasa president na president da nti say Kevin Taylor be kasa afran ye recognized medical doctor e wo America many abanye wontumi na kai whom am I? Whom am I to challenge it? And to be anti challenge it. Nanwadaya. Andali Sansao. A minister of state under John Dramani Mahama administration. Wako blackmailing with video. So about $100,000. I'm a minister no under Mahama administration. Actually, I'm 50,000 man. $50,000 man. And no, and son ni degree ya ebe ba yesi degree ni ya papa ni degree ni de so bi madano ni degree ni so de ya ampa yo ye medical doctor ya ampa mi akra mire bi o mesim bi koni man bi ene paracetamol ma me no me nti ya ampa mi work Kevin Taylor na aka whom am I to challenge o black mary obi 100,000 me no wako akoda o pictures ni pa no so hwe se do si dae ne nkromo a o hwa na afra na nya picture o se mejo $100,000 me ya me metie kokwa nanse niama bi wo ha wa crowd nim say nsi and so o fa wa fofra e so hu ba bi odefa man nipa na 50,000 abo hu bia nyina minister wa ba
seriously
obi wa ko yi 50,000 bosia e wo ba bi one sex anajo wo kra no pressure say na otimi ko $50,000
continue
and only there akwa bi na odi aspirant bi achi no oti ye ndia wankwanko kasa obi ato 50,000 aboba bi bana pifide do otimi be kan akwa bi odi fra bera bi achi no wantima mekasa obi ato 50,000 abobi no wati o because babi o free buy o protect wo mo nti o say NPP de yate.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? What is this saying?
Now legendary as a judge.
People in Ghana, when they talk, don't listen. This is the NPP Wrong Ahafo Regional Chairman, Abronye. So now you look at this. Now, my catch-up said, where we are today, you're less than 75 days to elections. When you hear such a cow talk, don't respond. Don't pay attention. This guy, Osiso or repair ponchi, or the Bema or the Kotikwashaba aponchaya ase, so on that way. So people like these, when there's a party in power, and these are the kinds of people they are making them lead them, you need to understand the way the party was shaped. You need to understand the ideology behind that political party. These are the people. Where NPP and you Ghanaian watching me. Let's get serious. From now, no, we need to separate foolish people from Ghanaians. Bono region. This guy is NPP's regional chairman, Bono. And this guy sits on TV, not all chim. And I just want to tell Ghanaians, young people, don't pay attention to these cows. We mommy nipemu ninchie nasi. Nipa otumde ne bema eshe aponchia senene da. We onye nipa. At this point where we are, no, we need to waste our time on these cow feet. We omoye ninchie nasi. They are despicable, dirty people. They don't carry anything in their head. So if a political party today are making people like these their regional chairman, you need to understand where we are. And nothing will be one day. When mommy ninjas, they are cow feet, very stinking, dirty people. They don't add anything to this country. They don't. They don't have the intelligence to sit and analyze and say, no, me wa party bibi koye. We mo omunem ponchi na da, emponchi and omuni omuda. They are not okay. Morally, they are not stable. So, Mr. Ramo, these are the kinds they are parading as their leaders. These are couch fertilization individuals. Nenchie nasi, nenchie nine. Na way nehe and a bit to me agene. Ni perform tantain say. Ni perform tantain say. Politics intra. Politics in tea and ni perform tantain say to me TV so say or can Ghana and some. Ni perform tantain say na otuo or say politics in tea. Very dirty people. Where would this so clean with 30 and fat? These are dirty. Let's not pay attention. Yeah, these people, this party, they want to distract you. Don't pay attention to them.
What I say, but as I say, Abraska crack. It's not beautiful. Abada Kevin Taylor any efrifa. Omuntem. Enra. Anna come back for Abronye ever alive. Oh here TV. Out of nowhere. Come back for Abronye air alive and over to see Kevin Taylor. Abronye every year no Emekasa. Wama Kevin Taylor a deep of a deal on their man. Edi odewa Kevin Taylor eye akwasi donkey.
Abronye state. Na muntie ne ye, Abronye state ya wo Nigeria ho no. Abrantie bi ewo Eza. O Eza Nancy kra no. Ye the new president is wo Abronye state ho no. Owia ne ho ebae. Na national security na ebo ne ho bae. And so our Eza ho na no asem. Odidi Abronye state yimfunu nyina atem. Wa obeye no odidi o matem political opponent or do mu nyina to form. E Abronye state wo omu obi a Nancy Abronye state wo ne papa kra den centrani bi kokot e Abronye state wo e mo ne papa kokodi nkukuo eningwase basa Abronye state wo ne girlfriend Emma ye appointed ne girlfriend our Abronye state war to the National Health Insurance Board. What you say? Abronye state war no. You appointed the girlfriend to the National Health Insurance Board. And you no catch that buying the say our Abronye state war no say the girlfriend no a medical doctor. You should muna na the girlfriend no and your modi on your medical doctor. Nti agi post no free ne girlfriend in some and so sorry onu na nim political opponent fo a wo mo ye corrupt na so timit na Eza ho e do girlfriend a onye medical doctor but so a medical doctor e baba di post ma kire ye hu so onye medical doctor e ma o girlfriend timi prescribe nro e ma mpanyufo politicians mpanyufo nom otimi train roma omo ama omo kwa hospital omo kwa pharmacy kwa kotonom sa brante no wo Eza na ye friend kwasi donkey na sa kwasi donkey sa mo be kaya e bonus state one sa mo be kaya e bonus state one na 2022 odidi judge bi atem e wo e bonus state ho no odidi judge na atem no ama judge ni issue ye asate ni contempt o sate ni contempt wie ye no e no issue bench warrant so mo nkwa hwehwe ne mra ama di bench warrant no ne contempt proceedings ni nyina de servo Ghana police mo de to Interpol so enti odo pray hard and seek saa enti wo hwa nanse ya na oba e bonus state wa national security board ho ban na osandwan call babi a o eza ho enayi ye da sore ya yesi kwasi donkey ya o eza wadidi every politician ata o ma judgment atia no ebinom awie ne 1 million defamation cases atia no wadidi himfo atem adomani matutwi fam politicians wakansema guomo so enye nokore asem ne dodo na o makokoto akowene tse na no ne papa kokoto ebonyi high court ko lusu ye no abrantie ya America na sema ye friend no kwasi donkey a wo eza wakọ ebonyi supreme court akọ file ne ye friend no Procedural say contempt na omo site no ne sa bench warrant no supreme court no nkwase Procedural no na se be ya obenya kwana na sem ne say bench warrant ne contempt ne nyina no tam na judge ni issue ni amona mane enti omo nkwase kwasi donkey we Bonny state na o kan kwase asem etu se ne wo ye be ma che obia na timi huna sa party na abawo Bonny state honum no me ka tro se this case na wa faale e wo Bonny state hono e dead on arrival. Take it from me. Hey, no matter what attorney general na owo Bonny state ni beka, no matter what kwasi donkey me say take it from me, the law is the law. No matter what the argument here, attorney general owo Bonny state wo beka to favor you because omo fi say wo no omo wo party kro, because utimi force the Bonny state government e man fa girlfriend or your fake medical doctor. Kwasi donkey, I am telling you, no matter what the attorney general, our Bonny state will be advancing the argument. The matter is dead on arrival. Me catch you. Near the kind, we lawyers an argument and say, bench warrant and then contempt a union. Omo issue no, omo issue ya without your notice, without your hearing, and a breach of natural justice. What do you mean? What the bench warrant say? When they issue bench warrant, a man notice near the kind. Now, who Sarah, who also will answer Unimadie because we crack your tone to Munti. Nanka crack in tone to ma. Kwasi donkey, Kawaube who say the word bench warrant to cry issue a man notice. Because we crack in a Yaduma, so you crack in papa, and so who say, Profu. Broninka se bench warrant. Warrant, yanko fanemra. Ye man notice say, ye kwako, ye the warrant e baba foul. Uwa ni yaba. And then warrant no. And two beka say, a breach of natural justice, normal amount hearing in the case, and send no more issue. Near the kind as a sort as a kwasi donkey, I wore a Bonny state to say. Sa contempt case ni site contempt, contempt case here. Who attack judge ni site contempt case here. Proceedings na the amount. Yes, come to court to explain why you should not be cited for contempt. What it means that you are coming to the court to peg yourself. And you know, untimin kase. The matter was determined without your notice. It doesn't come in. The matter no, and it say yasato contempt. And it's a contempt no, and a brabana peg you. And to two, dear man, sana catcher say, Procedural now kwaso mon kwashe no. Case no see, ye take decision no. The bench warrant decision no, aye 2022. In a Procedural application, no, this is no, it 6 months from the date that the decision was taken up to 6 months. There was special circumstances here. A bit mama court, I extended Sadiana. enti kwasi donkey sauto ye bema che bema bia enye supreme court ewo Ebonyi state na ese oko esese okwa Ebonu high court wonom kwa kase ye issue bench warrant amount atiao now you are coming to peg yourself and your common sense na supreme court wa wokọ ewo Ebonyi state wono kwasi donkey make a trust say what the matter is dead on a rubber and attorney general for no animbeguase and me sure say attorney general for they know the law na defense o mo de baba no ewo Ebonyi state wono attorney general bia no a obekwa kogu na nimase in this case they know the law and it's a wadwene say wo file to the supreme court say be ya attorney general ne member response to papa bia and ya make atro kwasi donkey be ready Ebonyi state we begu wani mati the matter is dead on a rubber follow the proper procedure go to the very court to say bench warrant na ya issue atiao say what did the attempt ewo Ebonyi state one you are coming to peg yourself sani ye no na case na wako file say woman kwasi decision say ya issue warrant atiao say contempt ya settle contempt for insulting a judge. It's your issue warrant at you. You go to the court to peg yourself. You don't go to the court to say warrant na ye issue no your amount notice. A bogus. Kwasi donkey. A bogus. The Ebonyi state of Nigeria will not entertain your case. You can't know. Jame masem also ye bema come to the Ebonyi state to face the law. Na sawa application in there. Me am a king can from the Ebonyi state one. Me ankasa mabubo muntokuro say 2022 ebesi 2025 for there. The law says say sorala no decision no ubetime akwa kwashia within 6 months. And this special circumstances been a baba court no be extend the na ye amount into application no. I told you lawyer need the on-call court, on-call office, and Fabody and Kofi, and Cobona Irako, or discan echo, into the aba, or Modia Falemo, would differ for Dimitra as I hope. Nadia said fake girlfriends or winning certificate, and I do a more share, a buying a Ebonyi state war. Who case in the Amfa? Case now, the court, Supreme Court war, Ebonyi state war, Amfa. We got 2022 cases there will file it 6 months. The statutory period within which to challenge the decision. I come make a quasi donkey. Me say the 6 months statutory period within which to challenge the decision. I come quasi donkey for one quasi no dimi for free work. For free work. Na plan up side decision go so pending. The time to challenge you know dear, such as your rara and dear. Why you a crowd quine? I grade a bed do a go quanso. I have finansa for Adam for Niantro Nyansa. The Patapana would the tea as sure as I honor. Not just say they know all attitude to know and torso. No all attitude ni attempt the DNA politician NPP politician be a crumb for. Uba haswa ni ya $6 amount, but some ne dia to account to mu, also ye kronkron. Nanka obi a ka corruption asem die. Eye da ko friend obi a. Oye fake doctor. Na asem ba ye untimi ntina wo show no so. Ewo eza ho enkan ho asem. Shame on you. Uba we ni case no ma ya hwe. Kwasi donkey a wo Ebonyi state. Me so ba we ni case wo ma anunguase a eka o papa ewo Ebonyi state high court no we so ebe kan na tete within a year no muda fam uno papa nyina ehu na mude be kofie kwasi dongi me say process na amafan ntokuro wom ya ba hwe decision ya beba ye di ani di akire decision ya beba na nipa nya nkora kwasi dongi the very court wa Ebonyi state wa which is Supreme Court judge between Penyah Obano or Babrewa ɛna ɔno no ne ayi akora ketewa bi twempra ɛhɔ na wakɔ faale process yi meboa Kwasi Donkey saa Supreme Court na wo se Supreme Court judge maame bi wɔ hɔ ɔne akora ketewa bi twempra na wo be expose no ɛhɔ na wakɔ faale hyehyɛwura yi meboa yɛmfa tia Ebonyi State maame na ɔyɛ judge a wo se ɔne akora ketewa bi twempra na obegu n'anim ase Ebonyi State wo Supreme Court judge ɔwɔ hɔ wo ka sɛ one man den ayi 24 hours so wa ma me ka obe expose no omu nyina wo ya duru yewu Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so adwe
Nansia ne yatunu di ne Ama Taylor eno kwa den kan wase muwie na Abronye eso da Kwasi Donkey abeka wode be ze Kevin Taylor tia na ni enye ho and Abronye is calling for beef the beef really there week you know ebe with media Kevin Taylor versus Abronye who is going to win this particular beef Obeta chira aje ama me e comment section. How you Penyah broke me.